So today we are trying to fix this old camping backpack. My son brought it to me. And the main compartment is missing the zipper pull. Completely got ripped out. So what I'm going to do is take one of these and replace it to the main compartment. Now getting it started is the hardest part. But once we get a little bit of an opening, then we can start prying it open and cutting the seam. Alright, here's just a pair of pliers. I'm just going to pinch the seam to make it a little easier to pull apart. And then I'm going to cut that. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, so I see them there, and I have to pull them together for this whole thing to start zipping. There we go, we got it. Okay, here's my needle, let's thread it in. Has a big giant eye, so that's pretty easy to start. But first thing I'm going to do is reinforce this zipper closure. So I'm just going to start sewing a little loop right around. Oops, careful with the needle. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to tie this off. Just going to take my needle and I'm going to wrap it a couple times around the loose end here and then pull it tight. And that'll create a knot. Do that one more time. Come on. That end can be a little difficult to grab, so I'm going to employ some pliers here. There we go. That is not going to go anywhere. Now let's tuck this thing back in.